Today, we will know about pythons, the silent hunter. Pythons are among the most fascinating and powerful snakes in the world. Known for their impressive size, strength, and non-venomous nature, these serpents belong to the family Pythonidae. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions including Asia, Africa, and Australia. Unlike other venomous snakes that rely on toxins, pythons use constriction to overpower their prey. They coil around their target, tightening their grip with each breath the prey takes, eventually leading to suffocation. Some python species, like the reticulated python, can grow over 20 feet long, making them one of the longest snakes in the world. They also have heat-sensing pits along their jaws, which helps them to detect warm-blooded prey, even in darkness. Depending on the region and species, pythons are known by various names. The Indian python is often called ajgar in India, while the Burmese python is famous in Southeast Asia. The reticulated python, due to its intricate skin pattern, is sometimes referred to as the jungle hand. Another name for pythons is rock snake. This name is commonly used for species like the African rock python, known for its large size and strength. Pythons have existed for millions of years, evolving into efficient predators. They thrive in dense forests, grasslands, swamps, and even semi-arid regions. Unlike many snakes, some python species are excellent swimmers that can be found near the water bodies.